For this lesson, we still have the example file opened, and we are going to the third Scene tab. Some of this lesson will be a review of what we just learned. We want to examine some of the same ideas on a slightly more complicated example, in our case, a floor plan. Start by using the selection arrow and click around to select different edges and surfaces. Remember that a surface has to have a complete loop of edges to exist, and that you can merge coplanar surfaces together by erasing the edges dividing them, or further divide surfaces by drawing additional lines. As you've been drawing, you probably noticed that SketchUp snaps to the axis directions, red, green, and blue. So far, we've only been drawing in the red and green directions. We also refer to these as inference directions. Other inferences are the midpoints, edge points, and endpoints that we've also seen. We are going to learn how to combine these inference points and inference directions together. Select the Line tool, and remember that we want to single-click once to start our line. Click, move, click is how we want to draw lines. So I'll click once on this corner endpoint, and then I'm free to move the mouse without holding down the mouse button. Watch what happens as I hover over other points in the model. I'm not clicking on these points, only hovering for about 2 seconds. Now I can draw a line in the red direction and get an inference to the points I just hovered over. I still haven't clicked my mouse the second time, so can hover over other points and find inference hints to those points as well. It's important to watch carefully for the two-axis directions. I'm drawing in the red direction and looking for inferences in the green direction. Once I find the combined inference point I need, I can click to finish drawing this line. This technique of combining inferences is really powerful, so it's worth practicing. Let's erase the edge we just drew, and then click on the fourth Scene tab to practice drawing with basic inferences. This shape is set up with many points to inference to. You can start simply by just drawing one line and hovering over points to find the inferences to them. Once you are comfortable with that, then start drawing to those points and creating a shape. You can choose any points you'd like, and you can also practice finding inferences in the red and the green direction. Create any shape you'd like, and remember, take your time and make sure you see both inferences as you click to draw lines. When you finish, you should be creating a new surface. Continue practicing on this example until you are very comfortable with combining inferences. When you are ready, return to the floor plan in Scene 3. I'm going to show a few new walls on this plan, drawn using only inferences from the existing walls. See if you can create these walls on your own. If you need help, we'll show the solution in the next lesson.